Printing films for a client, but look at this image. Oh man, all those details. Yeah, so if you wanna print films for clients, just the films, I suggest you put that in your arsenal. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to come out here and clean up my backyard soon, man. All right, heading to the supermarket, I gotta go get one thing so I could talk about the 3 things that you might want to use in your print shop. I'm using a different picture style on my Canon M50. I want to see how the colors look, you know? And the other thing is that I've been using the wrong aspect ratio. I've been using a 4:3, and I noticed that, and I have to switch it back to 16:9 and see if I get a little more wider. And if you are looking for a camera to take pictures, to do videos or vlogs like this, a Canon M50, let me tell you, it's a great camera for beginners. Oh man. It's so funny when you start getting older, you start noticing that you're making these grandpa noises. Like every time I'm gonna sit down, I go, oh, every time I'm gonna get up, oh. It's crazy, man. And also, when people make a joke or I'm gonna laugh, I don't laugh no more like when I was young. Now I laugh like a grandpa. I go like, oh man. Oh man, you see? There goes the grandpa noise, man. Oh, okay. Got some things from Amazon. I painted the floor about a month ago, and I moved it from the way it was before, so it's not leveled. So I just thought of an idea of, let me get these little small levelers right here, so you can see them, and I'm gonna place them in the arm of my press and then level it up like that, which I will know that all of them are leveled. Why not? These little things here. The other one is I got some food coloring. I usually will get the big one, but I ran out of it. But here it is. This food coloring. I'll show you what we're gonna do with this later. And I was speaking to a viewer that called me, and he watched one of my YouTube. So we'll talk about the off contact. He's been in the game for years. And then he was talking about little tips and tricks you could do in your shop and all that. It was a very good conversation. We were there for about an hour talking screen printing. So he came, the good idea was that he said, instead of buying these little cards to scoop out the ink, he said, go to Amazon and go buy the plain cards. They work just as well and they're cheaper. Only $10 for 12 pack of these. Each of them come with 52. Not bad. Not bad. So that's what I like, and I have, because I'm constantly using my other ones, then I have to clean them up. I don't have the cards. I have this little scoop thing or the spatula, clean it up, but this is pretty good, man. So you should try that. So right now, I'm gonna take these little levelers and put it around the press and level up my press right now. All right, placed all these little levelers on each arm of the press. And while I'm placing it, I'm noticing it's not level at all. Not level at all. So right now what I'm gonna do is start adjusting it from the bottom of the press so they could be all level. All right, now everything is level. The press is level, every arm is level with those little levels. And the way you will know is this. Once you put it there, that's it. It's not supposed to move. Before, you see? The move. Before, every time I stop here, it's slowly moving. But now, I can just come here, and there it is. It's not moving at all. Okay, tip number 2. When you're using your water-based adhesive, you spread it around, right? Once you have it, now you have to spread it. And the problem with this adhesive is that it's clear. So you rarely see it. So you don't know what you're missing. So using a little bit of food coloring, see? Now, you're gonna see the whole surface that you need has the palette adhesive. All right, and then you flash it and you will see it's no blue. It's not gonna be like it's gonna stain this t-shirt, none. And the third one, cards. See how big they are? Good enough for you could just come and take this ink out. So those are the 3 accessories you might want to have in your shop. The levelers were the best. I didn't know that my press was not level at all. Oh man, a big difference. I had to mostly, all 4 of them, I had to really adjust them to get them to that level because my floor is not level at all, it's not even. And the food coloring with this was awesome. This was pretty good. And like I said, the playing cards, scoop up the ink, throw it out. Don't be wasting time with it. Save you some money. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.